Natural light has a powerful effect on how a home looks and feels. For homeowners in Taylor, maximizing daylight isn't just about aesthetics, it's about comfort, energy efficiency, and creating a welcoming living space. One of the most effective ways to bring more sunlight into your home is by installing picture windows. These large, fixed windows are designed to showcase outdoor views while flooding interiors with natural light. What makes picture windows different? Picture windows are large, stationary windows that don't open or close. Because they don't require moving parts, frames, or hardware for operation, they can be made much larger than traditional window styles. This design allows for expansive glass surfaces that let in significantly more sunlight than standard windows. In Taylor residences, where homeowners often want bright interiors without sacrificing style, picture windows offer a clean, modern solution that blends seamlessly with many architectural designs. Flooding interiors with natural light. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is how much daylight they bring into a room. Their wide, unobstructed glass panels allow sunlight to spread evenly throughout interior spaces. Living rooms, dining areas, and open-concept layouts benefit the most, as natural light can reach deeper into the home. More daylight means fewer dark corners and a brighter, more open atmosphere. Rooms feel larger, ceilings appear higher, and the overall space becomes more inviting for both residents and guests. Enhancing mood and everyday comfort. Natural light does more than improve appearances, it can positively affect mood and well-being. Homes filled with daylight often feel calmer, warmer, and more comfortable. For families in Taylor, picture windows can help create spaces where people genuinely enjoy spending time, whether it's relaxing in the living room or sharing meals together. Sunlight also highlights interior design details, from flooring and furniture to wall colors and decor. With picture windows, homeowners can enjoy a naturally illuminated home without relying heavily on artificial lighting during the day. Improving energy efficiency. Picture windows can also support energy efficiency when designed with modern glass technology. High-quality picture windows are often built with insulated glass that helps regulate indoor temperatures. During cooler months, natural sunlight can help warm interior spaces, reducing the need for constant heating. Because picture windows don't open, they typically offer a tighter seal than operable windows. This helps prevent drafts and air leaks, making them an efficient choice for homeowners looking to balance comfort and energy savings. Framing outdoor views in Taylor homes. Another reason picture windows are so popular in Taylor residences is their ability to frame outdoor views beautifully. Whether overlooking a landscaped yard, neighborhood scenery, or a peaceful skyline, picture windows turn the outdoors into a living piece of art. This visual connection to the outside world enhances the feeling of openness and makes indoor spaces feel more connected to nature. Even smaller rooms can feel expansive when a large picture window draws the eye outward. Versatile design options. Picture windows are incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit various home styles. They can stand alone as a dramatic focal point or be paired with operable windows on either side for ventilation. Homeowners can choose different shapes, sizes, and frame finishes to complement their home's design. In Taylor homes, picture windows work well in living rooms, stairwells, dining areas, and even bedrooms where natural light is a priority. A bright investment for Taylor homeowners. Installing picture windows is an investment in both comfort and long-term value. Homes filled with natural light are more appealing, feel more spacious, and often attract greater interest if homeowners decide to sell in the future. For Taylor residents looking to enhance their living spaces, picture windows provide a simple yet impactful way to bring in more daylight, improve energy efficiency, and elevate the overall feel of their home, all while enjoying beautiful views year-round.